Hey guys, welcome to the 19th lesson of the Harmonium lesson series. We hope you are excited. In today's video, we are going to learn a new lesson based on KEHERWA. It consists of 8 matra. The breakup is 4/4. We hope you are doing good with your lessons. Before we get started with today's lesson, if you are new to this channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll not miss any important updates when we upload a new exciting video. Let's get started. In today's video, the tempo will be 60 bpm. The pitch will be B2. We will teach you how to play the alankar in Vilambit and Madhyalay in a different style. Today's Taal will be in horse beat style. Now let's go and see the alankar which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. At first, we have the ascending order. And now the descending order. Now let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was the new Alankar based on Taal KEHERWA in horsebeat style. We hope you have learned a new thing today. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next episode with the 20th lesson of the Harmonium lesson series. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video very soon.